Hi everyone. Today we're going to be looking at the question 1 of the Wassce 2010 May-June General Mathematics question. In this question, you have been given set A to have these elements, set B have this element, and set C you have been given to have this element in terms of algebraic expression. It says they are subsets of the universal set this is your universal set 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and the first question says to find A intersection B complement intersection C complement, and you have the B part that says A union B intersection B union C. Okay, now for you to be able to solve this question, you need to first of all list out the elements of set C. So now how do we interpret this algebraic expression right here? This says that C is a set of X such that X is greater than 3. Because if you say 3 is less than X, 3 is less than X means X is greater than 3. Okay, so X is such that X is greater than 3 and X is also less than 9. So if you think about this very well, if X is greater than 3 from this expression, right, we said 3 is less than X means X is greater than 3. So if X is greater than 3 in this case, and this is the universal set, right? So that means the numbers you're going to be considering will be part of this universal set. Okay, so for X to be greater than 3 means it's going to start from 4. Okay, and it says that X is less than 9. If X is less than 9, that means it's going to stop at 8. X is greater than 3 means X will start from 4. X is less than 9 means it will not get to 9, so it's going to stop at 8. So what are the elements of C? And remember, this is your universal set 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So that means my element of C would be, remember to put these brace brackets, would be 4 5 6 7 8. 4 5 6 7 8 would be the element for C. Okay, now if you look at this question, it says A intersection B prime intersection C prime, or you say B complement intersection C complement. So now let us get the C complement right now. Okay, now what is C complement? So the C complement will be a set of all elements which are present in the universal set, but not in C itself. What this means is that what are the elements that are in this universal set right here, but you cannot find them in this C. Okay, so if you look at this, 2 is right here, but it is not in this. So that means the C complement is going to be 2. 3 is in the universal set, but it is not in C. That will be, I'll put 3. 4 is here, 4 is here. 5 is here, 5 is here. 6 is here, 6 is here. 7 is here, 7 is here. 8 is here, 8 is here. 9 is here, 9 is not here. That means you put 9. Take note, you need to separate these elements by commas and then you close it with a brace bracket. Okay, so that is your C complement. What about B complements? Remember, guys, that what we mentioned for a complement is that what you have in the universal set but not in that set you are considering. So if this is B complement, it means what are the things in the universal set but they are not in B. So let's start. Okay, 2 is in the universal set, it is also in B. 3 is in universal set, it is also in B. 4 is in the universal set, it is not in B. I will put that down. Let me use a different color for that. 4. Okay. 5 is in the universal set, it is not in B. 5. 6 is in universal set, it is not in B. What about 7? 7 is here, it is also in B, so we will not put that. 8 is in the universal set, it is not in B. I will put 8. 9 is in universal set, it is also in A, so I will not put that. So that is what I have. So I have 4, 5, 6, 8 to be my B prime. Okay. Now, if you look at the next thing, it says that A intersection B prime or B complement intersection C complement. So do the bracket first. So I would have B complement intersection C complement. What do you mean by by intersection? Intersection basically is a set that contains all elements common to both sets you are considering. So what this means is that B complement intersection C complement means what are the things that B complement and C complement have in common. What does B complement and C complement have in common? If you take a look at this, 2 is here, it is not here. 3 is here, it is not here. 9 is here, it is not here. 4 is here, it is not here. 5 is here, it is not here. 6 is here in B complement, it is not in C complement. 8 is in B complement but not in C complement. That means they do not have anything in common. So if they don't have anything in common, what that means is an empty set. That means just draw two brace brackets and do not put anything inside. We've seen a lot of students, what they do is this: they put the bracket and they say because there is nothing in common, they put 0. That is wrong. If you do this, that means you are saying 0 is the element. So this is wrong. Don't do that. So this is an empty set. Okay. Now the next question. So the A part then says A intersection B complement intersection C complement. So what will that give us finally? So remember we said intersection is what you have in common, right? So now we've done B complement intersection C complement, which is empty set. So now what is A? This is A. 2, 4, 6, 8. Now what does 2, 4, 6, 8 have in common with an empty set? You would agree with me that if you see an empty set, that means it doesn't have anything. So what does it have in common with A? It doesn't have anything common with it, right? So that means that this also will be an empty set. So that is your final answer. So A intersection B complement intersection C complement, your final answer is an empty set. Okay, very good guys, very good. Let us look at the second problem set, which says A union B in bracket intersection B union C. So now if you want to do that, first of all, work out the problem of A union B. What is A union B first of all? So if you are talking about union is the set of all elements in the set you are considering, right? So if you say A union B, that means it's the set of all elements in set A or B or both of them. So basically what you are trying to do is you want to include all the numbers in A and B. You want to bring them together. Okay, so a good way to approach such problem is this. If you look at A, what are the elements in A? 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, what are the elements in B? Take note, if you are doing your union, if you are combining those elements together, there should not be a repetition. Take note, there should not be a repetition. Now you have written out A to be 2, 4, 6, 8. Now you want to write out B. So now B has 2, right? But because I've written 2 before, I will not write 2 again. The next element is 3. I have not written 3 before, so I will write 3. The next is 7. I have not written 7 before, so I will write 7. The next is 9. 9 is not here. I will put 9 right here. So that is the element of A union B. If you want to make it well ordered, then you can arrange from smallest to the biggest. I can say 2. Next thing is 3, 4, 6, 8, no, 6, 7, 7. Let's erase that. 7, 8, and 9. Okay, very good guys, very good. So that is that. Now you have done A union B. What about B union C? So we will come here and we'll say B union C. Let us do that. So B union C, let me bring out this. Okay, so B union C is going to be the combination of the element in B and C. And we already wrote out C right here. Okay, so what is B? 2, 3, 7, 9. Okay, then your C is right here. Remember, we already have the element of C right here. So now what do we need to do? 4, I can add 4. I have not written 4 before. Okay, 5, I can add 5. I have not written 5 before. Remember, what you are doing for union is you are combining the element of B and C. What about 6? I have not written 6 before. What about 7? I have written 7 before, so I will not write it again because you don't want to write it twice. What about 8? I have not written 8 before, so I would put that there. So that is B union C. If you want to rearrange from smallest to biggest, that is good. You can do that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you take a look, you realize that we've been able to get a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But the question says that we should find A union B intersection B union C. Let's go back to the question for you to see. A union B intersection B union C. Intersection B union C. Okay, now remember what we said intersection is. Intersection is what is common to both. So A union B, this is a set on its own. Now B union C, we should also have elements for this, right? So what do they have in common? A union B, B union C, intersection. What they have in common? Let's take a look. And remember, we already arranged, so that makes it easier. 2 is common. They both have 2 in common. Very good. 3 is also common. Very good. 4 is also common right there. Interesting. 5 is right here. 5 is not here, so it is not common. We are going to omit that. 6 is here. 6 is here. 6 is common. Awesome. 7 is common because it's there on both. Great. 8 is right here. 8 is right here. That's common. 9 is right here. 9 is right here. Very good. That's also common. So that is your final answer. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is your final answer. Take note, if you are writing set, you always want to make sure that you put the brace. If you write your element and then you put it inside this bracket, then you're going to be marked wrong. And also take note that you need to separate those elements by commas. Okay. All right, guys. I hope you understand this problem set and how we've been able to solve it. I will see you in the next class where we are going to be looking at the question 2. All right. See you guys. Bye.